Sing as a chord, you know. Ain't got no worries, ain't got no worries on. Sing on the round, king at the bone. All the pretty boys, pretty boys. I'm born from Goja, Aki Utangoja. Sinaga my time, Taku with the Navi Oja. Planning how we want to take over the world.
Hello, hi there. I hope you're doing fine. If it is your first time seeing this bold, beautiful daughter of the king, I extend to you a very warm welcome, and also don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I post a video. So today I'm going right into the video. I'm making cornrows. I saw this cornrows and I was like, yo, no, I'm definitely getting this. And of course we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So my name is Washira Wamboi and I hope this video helps you a lot. Yes, let's jump right in.
Shake it down like we tell you, simmer. Shake it down like we tell you, simmer. If you really know it and you really wanna show it, be the way to go. Oh, grab somebody, move your body, show somebody, be the way to go. All this I know, all this I know, all this I know. All this I know, all this I know, all this I know. Women at the corner, me and Susie Norma. We ain't got no money, but we do it how we wanna. Painting our nails, checking our mails. All them pretty boys wanna have us, but they feel Kim Tangoya, Leon Tangoya. Side to go up, Sakunaga Zavioya. Running how we want to, take over the walls. Riding on the drum, on the clap, while the bass goes boom. Shake it down like we tell you, simmer. Shake it down like we tell you, simmer. If you really know it and you really wanna show it, be the way to.
So this is how I cornrow. So I take a front part like this, and then I divide this front part into 3 because it's cornrows. If it were flat twist, I would have divided it into 2, and then like that I braid this first part like this until I'm comfortable with it, and then I take one side, I take it to the back like that, and then I don't know if you can even actually see, then I take a small portion, this is the back side, I lay it flat on my scalp like that, I take that small portion, I just like braid, and then I keep on exchanging. Now this is let me stay like that so that you can see, like that, small portion like that. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So you're going to take 1 and bring it to the number 2 position, and once you take the 3 position, you take with a little bit of the hair that is behind, and then you lay number 2 flat, and that is the cycle. You take number 2, the current number 2, to number 1, the number 2 that is now you lay it back, and the number 3 you take it with a little bit of the section from behind. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm doing, but that is the cycle. Let me just go through it again. So you take number 1, you take it to number 2, number 2 you lay it flat, number 3 you take it with a little section of the hair that you want to plait, and that is the current cycle. Number 2 goes to number 1, the current 2 you lay it down like that, and then you take number 3 and you plait it with the hair that is behind that you want to plait, and then you finish it off. I will do another line just so that you can understand. I don't know if I'm explaining it well or in a way that you can understand, but if you follow what I'm doing and you do a little bit of practice, you will get there. Even personally, I am not like perfect, but I'm still practicing, but it's something that needs a lot of practice. then I remove the parts that were actually not supposed to be on this cornrow and make it as neat as possible, like that. I hope you've actually seen, but let me do another one just in case. Well, I start off by taking a front section, braiding it just a little bit, and then now connecting it to the back section.
All this I know, all this I know. Now your line, your waist, come stop. And now you screw your face, come stop. Exaggerate the waist.
So we have number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 becomes number 2 like that. And then number 2 becomes the new one. You've seen I've laid it number 2 down, and I've picked number 3 with a little bit of hair from the free section, and that is the cycle. So number 1 goes to number 2. Number 2, I lay it down on my scalp like that. I pick number 3 with a little bit of hair from the free section, and then I continue like that. So that's just the cycle, and it's something that really needs a lot of practice, honestly. But I'm sure if you just look at this, how I'm acting, like the actions of my fingers, and make sure you deal with little bit sections of hair so that the hair becomes tight and neat. But yeah, that is just all really. But make sure it requires a lot of practice. I cannot emphasize enough on that. It requires a lot of practice, and yes.
Go and grab somebody, move your body, show somebody be the way to go. All this I know, all this I know, all this I know. All this I know, all this I know, all this I know.
The ends tend to be a little bit tangled, and just take your time, take your sweet time, because it's a tiresome thing. Your arms are like tired, and if you like have short patience, you'll see it as a hard thing. So just take your time, braid, comb it out, detangle it, and remember to be gentle with yourself.
Sing as a chord, you know. Ain't got no worries on. Sing on the road, king of the bone. All them pretty boys, pretty boys. I'm boni kungoja, aki utangoja. Sinada my time, taku within navi oja. Planning how we want to take over the walls. Riding on the drums and the clap and the bass goes. Shake it down like. We tell you, simmer. Shake it down like. We tell you, simmer. You really know it and you really wanna show it, be the way.
I can really say I'm really proud of how it turned out. Like, I'm really honestly proud of how it turned out. And next time I'll get to work on my sectioning and just to practice more on my cornrows. But so far I'm really proud, I thank God. And so yeah, till next time, let me know down in the comment section how you think it came out, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, until next time.
Painting our nails, checking our mails. All them pretty boys wanna have us, but they fail. Kim Tango, yeah, Leon Tango, yeah. Side to go up, Sakunaga Zavio, yeah. Running how we want to, take over the walls. Riding on the drum, on the clap, while the bass goes boom. Shake it down